Welcome to N22 News, your trusted source for global updates and breaking headlines. You're watching N22 News, where every minute counts and every headline matters. Sydney's rail commuters are set for major changes after the state government announced a sweeping overhaul of the Sydney Trains network following the embarrassing system-wide shutdown in May. On May 20th, the network ground to a halt when an overhead wire snapped near Strathfield. Thousands of passengers were stranded, some stuck on trains for more than 3 hours. Investigations later revealed that the faulty wire had been identified as a risk as far back as 2020, but was never repaired. An independent review handed down its findings this week, describing the incident as a serious failure of maintenance, inspection, and crisis response. Premier Chris Minns called the report sobering, saying commuters deserved better. His government has now accepted all 12 recommendations from the review and committed almost $460 million over the next 4 years to fix the problems. Key reforms include a 4-year asset renewal program worth more than $420 million to upgrade tracks, signaling, drainage, and overhead power lines,